In this video, I'm gonna work on a Craftsman Gold 6.75 lawnmower, replacing air filter. Air filter location is on the side of the lawnmower, and the tools that we will need is flathead screwdriver. That's the only tool we need. And besides screwdriver, we need new filter replacement. We're gonna take it out. It is fairly simple to do it. And filter is here. Looks very dirty. I cleaned it once just with the air, but looks like this time it is time to replace it completely because it's not cleanable in my opinion. And replacement should be Briggs & Stratton 491588S. I found at Home Depot replacement from Power Care with its number, but I have here saying that this replaces OEM for Briggs & Stratton, and my number is here 491588S. That's what I have on my original. This is gonna work. Just a little comment. One filter was $11 and some, and two was 14 and some, and I decided to buy two. That's a better deal because I have pretty new lawnmower which will last me for some time, so second filter will be good to have for later replacement. I'm going to gently clean this around without too much of disturbing, to not have dust inside of the engine. Just a little bit, and cover itself. Doesn't need to be crazy clean, but just a little bit. Air can be used as well. Once we have it clean, you can put cover back, take one filter out, and keep second one in same case closed. I will glue this around to make it clean for next time replacement. A new one doesn't say what direction it goes like on old one, but it should go like this because I remember how it was. And then we need to screw the screw. Just tight without too much of pressure, and that's it. We don't have to test it. It'll be just better for engine to breathe easier. Simple, very important. Sometimes it may give you a hard time to start engine if filter is too dirty. I hope this video helps somebody. Please comment, subscribe, like, ask questions. We'll be more than glad to answer them. Thank you for watching.